This is a block, an engine block, that was taken out of a 2004 Chevy Tahoe. It's got about 190,000 miles on it, and it looks pretty clean, but it's very precise inside. It's going to be bored out. It's been reduced to everything except the crank, which is in there. These are the pistons, and underneath the pistons is a really dirty oil pan. This is another one of the pistons in the crank. It sticks. It's supposed to fall right down. And this is what I think causes piston slap. Here's a piston from a similar motor with only 50,000 miles on it. It looks like it's been cleaned. When you pick it up and turn it, it's free. This is a good illustration of why it's important to change the oil